Good morning, Miss Chips. Did you get the keyboard? It wasn't that I had trouble making decisions, it was just that there were so many decisions to make. There are a lot of things to take into consideration for a customized keyboard. On top of that, we were getting them made together, so I had to bring my A game. Well, there are different switch stems, keycaps, and button setting preferences that all affect the user experience of a keyboard. For example, Miss Chips, you often write proposals, so if your switches are stiff, then it's easier to get fatigued. That's why I chose a lighter feeling switch for you. What do you think? Did you open it? Mm hmm. That one and mine are the only two of their kind in the whole world. They are Kiro signature editions. Bingo! Congrats, Miss Chips! You found Applebox's paws. I took a picture of Applebox's two paws and designed them into two special keycaps. Like it? You could say that. Back when I was in high school in the States and lived in an apartment, I used a keyboard to defeat a noisy neighbor. That neighbor was having parties at his place every day. So, to get a good night's sleep, I decided to fight fire with fire and design a keyboard. However, just the clicking of the switches would never phase that guy, so I also installed solenoid valves and buzzers. Whenever I had some free time, I'd pop in some earplugs and use that keyboard. In the end, I safeguarded the sanctity of my sleep. Hang on a sec. All right, I've got the keyboard. Listen to this, Miss Chips. It can go even louder, too. Hello? Miss Chips? What did you say? Hello?